Hello there and welcome to the new Python tutorial video where I will show you how you can install a package in Python. I would say uninstall instead. Alright, so many times when we don't have a need of the package, we just left it there. However, the best practice is to uninstall the package or uninstall the packages so that next time when you need to use it again, you get the most recent version while installing. And that's why if you don't need it, if your project is over, you're working on a different one which does not require the library, just remove it. Alright, so let me show you how you can figure this out within Jupyter Notebook. And before I do that, a quick information that related to the pip command. I have been posting a lot of different videos and the link for the playlist is in the description, so you can get it from there. Alright, so let me go into the Jupyter Notebook. So here I am, and first of all what I will do is I will list the packages. So it shows these different packages that we are having. Let's uninstall something. We will say uninstall -y and maybe alabaster. I don't know what it will do, but from a perspective of whether it's a dependency of something or not, but maybe I can check it later. So like I said, you need to really make sure that whatever packages you are uninstalling, it is not a dependency for some other package. For example, numpy is the dependency for pandas. So if you will remove the numpy, panda will not work efficiently or may not work at all. Alright, so let me just go ahead and execute this, and you will see found existing installation alabaster 0.7.2. it is uninstalling this package and finally successfully uninstalled the package. Always make sure that you are using this parameter -y, otherwise it will give you a prompt to say yes or no. And if you are on a command prompt, you can say yes, but here in the Jupyter Notebook, unfortunately it does not give you. So many times people get frustrated if they simply use the exclamation sign pip uninstall and the name of the package. It does not uninstall and it will ask whether you want to remove the package, yes or no. But if the parameter -y is present, then you will be able to uninstall the package like I have done. Otherwise, let me just give you an example of this. For example, I want to remove pip uninstall, and let me uninstall this one, alter. Okay, and now if you will see, proceed, yes or no. So now this command is waiting for this input. But where should I go and give the input, right? I cannot type it here and I cannot type it even here because this is a second different command and it will not run because this command is already running. So always make sure you have this -y, otherwise you will run into this problem. It will make you a bit frustrated if you want to do it quickly because time is running out for the project. Alright, so that's about it, and I'll meet you in a new video with some new topic.